So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I've been making like women with like botanical heads or embellishing pores, something, I don't even know what it's called. I don't even know if it's a style, but I've been doing a few of those. And today I thought it would be fun if I would do like my swipe with the straw blown flowers and see like if I could create like a flowing, mane of hair. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just seem to, play charades. I don't want to explain to you what's in my head through her hair. Anyway, so I thought it would be fun to do. I don't know how it's going to turn out. This is the first time I've ever done this. It's a bit of a concept. So when I'm done, I don't know how long this is going to take, but when I'm done, I'll show you the dried results and we can look at it together and you can let me know what you think, because of course I've got all kinds of crazy ideas in my head of what I can do, assuming this actually works out for me. So as always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Somebody said I should say this slower. My name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel. See it out on the canvas. Let's make a flowy, flowery head of hair something. Anyway, see it out on the canvas.
going let me do it again. Let me do it again now. Do it again. Let me do it again now. Do it again. Let me do it again now.
Change my mind. Your headstrong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me. I'm not coming down. I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me. I made up my mind, going straight to the top. A damn, and still they bow down, just appeasing the game to the visible ends of. You're not getting me, no matter how hard you try. So just stay off. Come near and I'll leave. I'm just fine getting by. Follow blindly. Wave my own way. See the truth behind it. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I'm looking around, yeah, you all giving up. You need a slap in your face, time to wake the hell up. Follow blindly. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I will not follow blind, not follow blind, not follow blindly. And this is who I am tonight, so get it right.
Right, so here it is, glare and all. Let me just go to an angle here. All right, my nose is itchy. I feel like Wilson, you know, on the fence. Hi. Don't ask me why I'm doing this. This was the flowers that I blew out. This was the swipe that I did. I swiped from this side. And then here is her. I didn't know how to do this. This took probably 8 or 9 hours in total for me to get this done. But yeah, and I don't know, there we go. I don't really know what to tell you other than I do love it. There's a lot of things that I would do differently. So I will probably do another one of these shortly on the channel before I forget how to do this. But there you can see. So honestly, I don't know what to call it, but like I blocked out the colors to create like a dress, and then her shoulder, her neck, and her face. I did, as you saw, I had to take out a petal of the flower because it looked like she was Gonzo from the Muppets, you know, That was really bad. But yeah, so this is kind of, I tried to get a variation in color. So as you can see, my nice blue fingernails. Yeah, it's pretty, right? I tried to get like a variation of color, like the lighter colors here, as if, I don't know, the light is cascading down on her, and then kind of going out into the darker flowers here. I don't know if I'll do that in every one that I do, but I did it on this one. And I hope that you like this. I'd love to hear your comments of what you think about this kind of piece. As I'd like to do more of these, whether that be the straw blown flowers or some other type of creation of a botanical. I got a playlist of abstract realism, we're gonna call this, where you can see more of these. As tonight is a premiere Friday, coming after me is Pouring Together with Lance Travis, then it's Cindy over at Cynthia Porter Studios, and then it's Art by Donna M, and I'm pretty sure Nate's gonna join us this week too, so it'll be Night Bright as our caboose. Oh, I hate saying that. It'll be Nate Bright at the end. So let me know what you think, and I'll join you over on Lance's channel and we can chat there about whatever he's gonna create, because this was a freestyle week. Do whatever you want. Anyway, ciao for now. See you in the next video.